What's up, everybody? Robert Silver here, and today I've got a brand new toy for the lighting kit. I'm super excited because we are unboxing the brand new Godox AD300 Pro II, one of the most anticipated portable strobes for portrait photographers and content creators that was recently released just a couple months ago. And honestly, as someone who shoots a lot of portraits, both on location and in studio, I'm always looking for gear that gives me professional results without slowing my workflow. In this video, we're going to do a full unboxing, check out everything included in the box, talk about the design, the build quality, features, and of course, I'll share my first impressions from a portrait photographer's perspective. Because let's be real, a flash can have all the bells and whistles in the world, but if it doesn't make shooting easier, faster, and more creative, none of that matters. I'm especially curious to see how this fits into my current lighting setup and whether this could be one of my go-to lights for fashion shoots, outdoor portraits, and creative editorial work. If you're into portrait photography as much as I am, or off-camera flash, creative lighting, or you just have been thinking about the AD300 Pro II for your kit, this video is definitely for you. So let's unbox it. So let's open this bad boy up. Microfiber cloth. One thing I do appreciate Godox, they give you some cases. When I bought the AD200, they gave a nice case out too, and woo, it's seen in better days. Manual. So right here, we have the stand adapter right here. I'm guessing that's a 1/4" screw right there. It is made out of metal, which is nice. Charger, that is for the battery itself, and it's the same battery as the AD200. The battery itself, which is the WB300P, okay, but this gives you USB-C connection, which allows you to charge pretty much anywhere, so it's a give and take. Matter of fact, let me go grab the old charger so you can see what it looks like. Here's the older, bigger charger right here. Now, I like this because it charges it very quickly. You plug that into the wall, you're good to go. Here's the actual wall charger for the USB-C connection from here to the charger itself. So you already know how to use that, and they're nice enough to at least throw in the cable too. Now, the only thing left is the unit itself. Ooh, it's really nice. A very large soda can. In the back, obviously, is where you put the battery. Let's go ahead and do that. Let me get rid of this. Nice. Let's power this sucker up. Nice. Cool. Cover. Just styrofoam inside here. That's the cover. And here's the bulb right there. Nice. I love how small it is. That's crazy. There's my hand. Let's put the AD200 next to it just to compare. And then I also want to compare the size of a medium zoom, telephoto zoom next to it as well. All right, so here is the Godox AD200. As you could tell, it actually is a hair shorter than the AD200. which is pretty cool because I really love the compact size and usability of an AD200. That's why I think it's like such a fantastic unit. I've had this forever. You could tell, you know, it's beat up and stuff, but it keeps on ticking though. I'm not gonna throw this away. I'm gonna use this as a hair light with the 300. And that's another reason why I jumped to the 300. So this would be the key light, a fill light, hair light, whatever I want to do, and they both fit in the same camera bag, so you really can't beat that. So that's really cool. Here they are right there, face to face, bulb up. Look how they both look. Old school, new school, big difference. I like the color, bold text. It's really nice. They both work with the X3 trigger. So let me grab a trigger and then show you how that works. All right, so we have the AD300 Pro here, and now I have the Godox X3 Pro N trigger. I do have the X3, which is I think only like $10 cheaper, and it is smaller, so there's two versions, but sometimes I do like having the larger screen, easier to manipulate my settings and get to things much faster. So anywho, so I have this and I already have this connected. It connected instantly. Like soon as I match the channel and the group, it was a wrap. It was already working. So here we go. Very nice, very intuitive. And you can see right here, when you get one of the new triggers, the X3 triggers, whether it be the Pro or just regular X3, man, this is the only way to go. So here is the Think Tank Photo Streetwalker hard drive backpack. It's a pretty nice size. I've had this for at least over 10 years and it just keeps on kicking like a mule. Nothing's ripped or anything. So if you have any questions about this camera bag, let me know. I'll send you a link. Like, this bag is legit. So here we go. As you can see, it looks pretty bad inside because I use this thing all the time. So I have my X3 Pro trigger here. Here's the X3 Pro trigger, X3 Pro trigger right there. So just in case, for those that don't know, here's the ultimate difference between the two. Okay, you can see that difference right there. You know, it's up to you which one. They're only like $10 difference, really. So of course I'm going to pack one in there. Here is the AD300 Pro II, and let's see how it could fit. Well, could it fit like that? No, that's a little much. That would have been pretty cool. I think the 100 could probably do it, the AD100. But honestly, this doesn't take up too much more space. I mean, if I want, I just have it fit right there, and it fits nice and snug. Like, there's nothing wrong with it. I could put my here's my Nikon Z8. You know, I could put all sorts of stuff in here. My 51.2, you all know that's like one of my favorite Nikon Z lenses right there. And I gotta keep on adding things from there. Ultimately, what I want to show you was inside of a camera bag, you can literally fit your entire flash inside the camera bag with your lenses. So the only downside is I may like not have to bring one more extra lens, but most cases I'm looking for ways to minimize how many lenses I bring with me onto a shoot, especially on location. But there you go, 300 watts of power right next to all my lenses in the same camera bag. Before I end this video, I wanted to share with you what I recommend would be the first accessory for the Godox AD300 Pro II. And it's this right here. It's this bracket. You have to buy it separately. It's the Godox MLGB. Where is it? Right there. The Godox MLGB. Okay. Now, the thing about this bracket is that this bracket allows you to connect full-size Bowens S-mount softboxes to the Godox AD300 Pro. Otherwise, you're going to have a small proprietary mount that Godox has, kind of like Pro Photo, and you will be asked out. So get this. It's only, I think it was only like 20 bucks, 10 bucks. It was very cheap. Okay, on Amazon. Of course, I'm going to leave a link to this mount as well as the Godox AD300 Pro II down below in the comment section. So off top, honestly, I think this was probably one of the smartest lighting buys I've bought recently. And no, Godox did not sponsor this video at all in any way. I went to Amazon, bought it myself, and here we are. And so far, I couldn't be more happier. It's compact, packs a lot of punch on it, and it works with all my other Godox lights, so it's just another light in my quiver, if you will, another arrow in the quiver. And I think any portrait photographer should seriously look at this light, especially if you're on the go a lot and you like to have a very small footprint. With all that said, what do you think about this light? How would you use it for yourself? And is it enough power? Is 300 watts enough for you? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.